Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to change the system navigation type in this device. So all we have to do is to open the settings and here in this left section scroll and find the home screen. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got two different options. So let's begin with the buttons. If you wish to set the buttons, just tap on this option. Obviously we've got the buttons at the bottom of the screen. We can mirror the buttons, so reorder the back button and the resets. It's up to you if you wish to do it. And here you've got the shortcuts, so you can customize what you'd like to do after, for example, pressing and holding the menu button. If you wish to set the gestures, obviously tap on this animation here, and if you want to, you can go through the tutorial just by tapping on learn and learn how to use the gestures, but I will show you and I will explain the different actions, different gestures. So here we've got also some customization, and of course instead of the three buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some specific gestures. The gesture confirmation, so sometimes it is useful, for example, if you're playing a game or watching a video, you have to confirm or double the gesture to confirm it. Don't respond to 3 and 4 finger gestures. Same situation, for example, during playing games, it will be useful. Here the shortcuts, so you can press and hold full screen indicator. You can use circle to search on none, so we do not have a lot of options to choose from. So here, let me explain the gestures. If you wish to get back to the previous page, swipe your finger from the side to the center, from the right side or from the left side. It works the same. If you wish to come back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. If you've got the apps opened, you can swipe between them just by swiping at the bottom of the screen, like that, which is quite convenient. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat use the gesture from the bottom to the center, but elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And after releasing here, you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.